Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Fast Tax Killer application on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. This method is going to use the download application and is compatible with any TV running an Android operating system. We're going to be using the code for this method and you will require the download application. If you do not have the download application, go onto the description of this video and look at the link. Click it and watch the video explaining how to get a download application to your Android TV or any Android operating system device. When you have the application downloaded, you're going to open it. This is how it looks. Open the download application and head to home. From home, you'll be prompted to put in a code. This is the code that is going to refer to this specific Fast Track Killer application, or rather Fast Tax Killer application. The code for the Fast Tax Killer application is 716622. Click on the Go button and your download will begin in a few seconds. After being redirected to this site, wait a couple of seconds and your download will begin automatically. For this tutorial, I am using the Slim TV box. It is a very good Android operating system TV box that has lasted a long time with me, and I have a link in the description if you want to check it out. When downloaded, click on the update button and later you'll be prompted to install. The app is installed and now you click on done. Here, you click on the delete button in order to save space on your Android TV by deleting the app installation file. This does not delete the app itself. The app will be retained in your smart TV. After clicking the delete button, head back home and exit the download application, and you'll be able to find the Fast Tax Killer application on your apps menu. That'll be all for this tutorial. If you got value from this, I would like you to hit that like button, subscribe to never miss an update, and I'll see you in the next one.